frequently I will use the horizontal bar. I will stitch into the horizontal bar in various stitch patterns. I don't normally use it as an all-over repeat, but this will show you how it's done. Now for this one, I am doing the back bar. That's the one right there. See, if you turn it, it's just a chain, and this is the top loop of the chain right here. But if you turn it, this is the back bar like you would normally find in a chain. So in order to stitch into the back bar, the first one is tough. It seems to be a little tighter than the others. And pull a loop through. So you're just going through this back bar to pull up your loops. You see that once the first one is done, the back bar presents itself easily, and you can usually just insert your hook back there. Now typically I will use this back horizontal chain bar back here when I'm doing a shell or a cluster. There will be a back bar joining them together at the top, and I have used that very frequently, but I have never used this as an all-over repeat. There is a common symbol for it, but there is no common name. So horizontal chain, closing chain, back bar, that's back bump, horizontal back bump. Any of those will suit, and you may find several different ways of it being stated in a pattern. Now you'll yarn over and pull through on the last one, and this will, you just, in order to use this as an all-over repeat, then you just chain one just like normal, yarn over, pull through two, and pull through two all the way across until you have one loop remaining on your hook.